अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूँ वसीम हसन और ये है मेरा चैनल वसीम हसन टीवी। नहीं जी, मैं आज मैनचेस्टर में हूँ, सिटी सेंटर में। डिफरेंट लोगों से सवाल पूछूंगा कि वो पाकिस्तानियों से पूछूंगा कि वो इंग्लिश या चाइनीज़ या इंडियन या अफ्रीकन से शादी करेंगे तो क्यों, और नहीं करेंगे तो क्यों। और इसी तरह दूसरे मुल्क के लोगों से मैं सवाल करूंगा कि वो पाकिस्तानी लड़की या लड़के से शादी करेंगे तो क्यों करेंगे, और अगर नहीं करना चाहते तो क्यों नहीं करना चाहते। रहे मेरे साथ, ये व्लॉग बहुत दिलचस्प होने वाला है। डिफरेंट लोगों से सवाल पूछने हैं, देखते हैं क्या जवाब मिलते हैं। Jasmine, would you marry a Pakistani guy? If yes, why would you marry him? If you say no, why would you say no?
I would marry him.
Yeah?
Because Pakistani men are handsome.
Thank you very much.
I'm half Pakistani myself as well.
Really?
Yeah.
From
my dad's side.
your dad is
Yeah.
Pakistani and your mom?
My mum's English.
Oh, that's why you know a bit
Yeah.
about Pakistani guys?
Yeah.
Oh, you like your dad?
Yeah. My dad's a handsome man as well.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Jasmine. So that's our first view, Jasmine. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Thank you.
Oh. Hey, what's your name?
Lucas.
What's your name?
George. Harrison.
You look quite young, but still,
Yeah,
I've
thank
got a
you.
question.
I'm 18. What is it?
18? Yeah, it's fine.
18.
Yeah, you can get
Really?
married officially.
Yeah,
So,
that's nice.
would you guys marry a Pakistani girl? If you say yes, why would you say yes? If you say no, why would you say no?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah. So what's the reason? Yeah, go on. It's fine.
Why does he get all scared? Yeah, but if you get on with them and they're like good looking, then yeah.
Yeah.
What do you got? What do you think?
What's your answer?
I wouldn't.
So what's the reason?
Too far away.
You know, if you find a
You
Pakistani
found one
girl
in
here,
England? In England?
What?
You found one in England?
Maybe, yeah.
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 So
Depends if you get on
what's
with
your?
them or not. If you get on with them,
Yeah.
you get on with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they're fit. Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys.
I love you.
Cheers, mate.
Hi, I'm Ed. Yes, I would if I didn't have a girlfriend already. But yes, I would.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah.
No difference, is there? Do you know what I mean? I don't care. Cool food.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Thanks for your answer.
Have a good day.
Cheers, mate.
See you later.
I have to say no because I've got a girlfriend. Literally, that's
Yeah?
the sole reason for it.
That's
I've got
the
a
reason?
girlfriend. And they're not really my type, unfortunately.
Yeah?
No offense to Pakistani
No
women.
worries.
Yeah.
That's the main reason.
Main reason I got a girlfriend.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Cheers. What's your name, brother?
Chris.
Chris. Yeah.
Yes, they're very beautiful.
You getting on the video?
They're very beautiful and feminine women. That's
Yeah?
why. They're very modest and feminine and beautiful.
Thank you very much. No. Yeah. Yeah. Go.
Action. What will you ask me?
What's your name?
My name, Nancy, babe. You already know who it is. Chi.
So I've got a question for you, Nancy.
Yeah.
Would you marry a Pakistani man? If you say yes, why would you say yes? If
Yes,
you say
because
no,
why not? I'll marry anyone who's got a beautiful personality. It doesn't matter what ethnicity, it doesn't matter. Whatever. As long as you've got a good heart, I'll marry you.
Thank you very much.
Smoldering.
What's your name, brother?
Hello, my name's F. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I've got a question for you. Would you marry a Pakistani girl? If you say yes, why would you say yes? If you say no, why would you say no?
Okay. Me, F. I would marry a Pakistani girl.
Uh-huh.
Because I don't discriminate. I think Pakistani girls are beautiful.
Uh-huh.
I think all races are beautiful, so specifically being Pakistani, I want to learn Urdu.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So why not? Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.